Hi everybody, it's Gary. I'm on tour in Austria at the moment on a factory tour, and we're looking at innovations. And so hot off the press is this new innovation from Sunwood. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm always banging on about this printed wood. Yeah, and people are asking for solutions now for corners. Well, here's one. So let's have a little look. These are digital prints. They are fantastic. As you can see, if you want to do a long wall, whatever height, and then you want to turn it, or you want to do a corner, or you want it tall or landscape, here's the solution. I'm just going to So here is now your solution for columns, for corners of bars, for curved walls, internal corners, external corners. And then I open it back up, you cannot tell. Right, so if that's whetted your appetite, let's have a look at what else we can do. Go over here, guys. That's one decor in 140, and here are a couple more. Concretes. You've got the colours, my favourite, and then you've got some typical woods. But that's just one of an exciting new concept with Sunwood. So I'm looking forward to showing you this in the showroom, bringing it to the trade shows. Thanks for looking, guys.